This dance is called We're Good to Go. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner level line dance with one restart. Starting with some heel switches. So you're going to touch your right heel forward, step the right beside the left, touch the left heel forward, step the left beside the right. Touch the right heel forward again, touch the right beside the left, touch the right heel forward, step the right beside the left. And you're going to repeat that with the left foot leading. So you're going to touch the left heel forward, step the left beside the right, touch the right heel forward, step the right beside the left. Touch the left heel forward, touch the left beside the right, touch the left heel forward, step the left beside the right. So there's a lot of movements in this first section, which means there's quite a few and counts in this dance. So the and counts are going to feel a little bit like doing a normal step because of the nature of the music. So let's just try this section once more. Right heel to start with. 7, 8. Right heel, left heel, right heel, right heel. Left heel, right heel, left heel, left heel. So it's right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. So you're then going to go into a couple of side touches. So you're going to step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Then you're going to add on a chassé to the right. And because of the nature of this music and the number of and counts in here, it's not going to feel like a chassé with the and counts in. It's going to feel more like a slower chassé. So it'll be a side, close, side, then touch that left beside the right. And you're going to repeat that all with the left foot leading. So you're going to step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left, right to the side, touch the left beside the right. That chassé again to the left. Like I said, it's not going to feel like a quick chassé. You step left to the side, right beside left, left to the side, touch that right beside the left. So I'm not actually going to call it out as a chassé, it will be a side, close, side, touch, because that's what it's going to feel like in the music. That set of steps once more then, side touches off on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, side, touch. Let's add that to the top. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8, right heel, left heel, right heel, right heel, left heel, right heel, left heel, left heel. Side touch, side close, side touch, side touch, side close, side touch. Walk forward 2 steps, right, left. Add on a mambo step. So you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, step the right back beside the left. Walk back 2 steps, left, right, into a coaster step. So you can step the left back, right beside left, step the left forward. And like I said, normally these mambos are the coasters. I would tell you it's 1 and 2 count timing steps, but it's not going to feel like that in this dance. So that set of steps once more then, walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step. Let's add that to the top. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8, right and left and right and right and left and right and left and left and side touch, side close, side touch, side close, side touch, walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step. on another mambo step, so you can rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, step that right beside the left. Back mambo, left foot leading, so you're going to rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, step that left beside the right. Now we're going to do 3 paddle turns, quarter of a turn each. So you're going to touch that right toe forward, use that to push yourself around, quarter of a turn to the left. And repeat. Touch that right forward, paddle yourself, quarter turn to the left. Once more, touch it forward, paddle yourself, quarter turn to the left, touch the right beside the left. So let's just try that section once more then. Mambo on the right. 7, 8. Mambo, step, back, mambo, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch. So that 3/4 paddle is exactly that. You're making 3/4 of a turn. If you are struggling to do that turn for whatever reason, either you can't get it in time to the music or it's making you feel dizzy and disorientated, there are some alternative steps that you can do. Do try and do the paddle turns first, because we always say the dances look so much better when the turns are in there. But if you are struggling, there are some alternative steps. So you do your mambo and your back mambo, the same as everybody else. Then touch your right forward, paddle yourself just 1/8 to the left. Then touch the right back, paddle yourself 1/8 back again, so to the right. Then touch that right back, paddle yourself quarter turn right, touch that the right beside the left. So you're just making a small turn to then come back again. But it means you're still continuing to do 3 paddle turns, but you're going to be turning virtually the opposite way to everybody else. So non-turning steps should you need to take that 3/4 of a turn out with those paddle steps. Otherwise that is the end of the dance, so let's put them all together. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8, right and left and right and right and left and right and left and left and side touch, side close, side touch, side touch, side close, side touch, walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, mambo step, back mambo, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch. So that is your dance. Now, like I said at the start, there are an awful lot of hand counts in this dance. So I am going to go through it now with the counts so you can see exactly where they fit in. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So like I said, a lot of hand counts in there. So it's not going to feel like your normal piece of music where your hand counts are that sort of half a beat. They are still half a beat, but it's not going to feel that way. So it is a 4-wall dance. Let's have a go at the other 3 walls. And I am going to speed it up as we go around the balls because the music is just a little bit faster. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8, right and left and right and right and left and right and left and walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, mambo step, back, mambo, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, right and left and right and right and left and right and left and left and side touch, side close, side touch, side close, side touch, walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, mambo step, back, mambo, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, right and left and right and right and left and right and left and left and side touch, side close, side touch, side close, side touch, walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, mambo step, back, mambo, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch. So that's your dance. So there is one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 6 after 24 counts. So you will have just done your coaster step and you restart at that point. So wall 6 is our 3 o'clock wall. Let's take you up to 24 counts and restart the dance. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8, right and left and right and right and left and right and left and left and side touch, side close, side touch, side close, side touch, walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, restart, right and left and right and right and left and right and left and left and. So hopefully you can see how that restart fits in. 24 counts under wall 6, coaster step, you restart with your heel switches. So that is it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Right and left and right and right and left and right and left and left and side touch, 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 side touch. Walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, mambo step, back, mambo, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch. Right and left and right and right and left and right and left and left and side touch, 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 side touch. Walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, mambo step, back, mambo, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch. Right and left, right and left and right and left and left. Side touch, 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 side touch. Walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, mambo step, back, mambo, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch. Right and left and right and right and left and left and left and left. Side touch, 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 side touch. Walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, mambo step, back, mambo, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch. Heels, side touch, walks, mambo, heels, should restart wall, side touch, walks, restart, heels, that though. Hope you managed that one.